Hello. So this is the hibiscus that we bought, I think, last Thursday, and it has been revived. Before it was droopy, all droopy. I thought it would die, but it has recovered, and this is what the bloom looks like. So this bloom only lasts a day, and then but there are other buds that are forming or formed and is growing, and I'm just so happy because I like red, and this is the kind of red that I like. There's another bud there, and this one I think is the next one to bloom. So that is the what is this, the Midnight Marvel hibiscus from Lowe's. This is from Lowe's, and it's so nice. I'm just so happy with it. And the other one that we bought is the hollyhock. This is how the flower looks like. So there was also another flower that bloomed, but it's done. So hopefully these are all buds that will still open. So that is the flower. Although in the picture it looks more pink. But so far the ones that have bloomed are more white than pink. And so it's white with inner pink color. That's it. Just so happy to see all these flowers. Have to clean up. Okay. It's a beautiful day today. Sunny but cool. So that's why we're out enjoying the sun, enjoying the weather, enjoying the day. It's a good day to sit outside and watch the garden or look at the garden. Okay, that is my dad enjoying the sun so he can walk a little and exercise. Now let's go to the right side of the front garden because I want to show you the red gladiolus that is blooming there. There are more blooms now. And there's a bee who's enjoying. Oh, go, go.
Okay, here is the power of my daughter. Net, this is Frank. Okay.
Okay na. Tapos na. Okay, bye-bye. Just appreciating this hibiscus. So many blooms. Ang dami niyang blooms. Nakakatuwa talaga. So, different shades. May parang purple and then so pag nagfe-fade na siya, nagiging purple and then red violet pagbago. Just appreciating so many flowers. Another garden bed. June is doing another garden bed where we will plant, I think, the 4 boxwoods that we bought and hibiscus probably and some other more. Some other more. Pangit pakinggan. So there. And yesterday I planted some phlox. I cut it off from our old plants and planted it here. It's a good thing it rained today. Raining all day today. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pieces. 4 plants. The rest are yellow sedum. Hello. I'm just so happy to show this. Our hibiscus has bloomed. And there's 4. 4 at the same time. Usually it's just 1. So, just wanted to share. It's big. It's quite cold right now. Or not cold. It's not warm. I need to deadhead or cut these hosta blooms. And we have 1 pink rose. Just looking at the garden. At the things I need to do. Our yarrows, some of the stems are flapping. And one of the roses that I planted already has 2 buds. And I'm so excited to see what the flowers look like. It's cool weather. And this is the second rose. It has new leaves, no buds yet. And as usual, I need to weed. And so no, our husband nagband ang aming gladiolus because it's so long, so tall. I have to fix it first. And we have more gladiolus here, pink, red, and pale purple. So I had to stick them all up. Another look at our begonia. So the red flower has a yellow center, and this is the yellow flower. Always looking at these flowers. And I've already put a stick on our gladiolus. So red, so pretty.